Welcome to the super simple guide on how to build your first orbital rocket in Kerbal Space Program. Let's start with our command pod. On top of this, we always need to add a parachute for when we return. Then, below this, we are going to add a decoupler. This part is what separates each stage of the rocket. When it fires, the rocket effectively splits in two. We can now build our upper stage. For this, we need a fairly small fuel tank. Here, we could add a powerful engine, but it is much better to use a vacuum-optimized engine like the Terrier. Vacuum-optimized engines have a much higher specific impulse when operating in the vacuum of space, so they run more efficiently there. Now, on our orbiter, you should add some solar panels. I suggest the static ones, like shown here. Optionally, you can add some batteries too. Now we can add another decoupler and build our main launch stage. For this stage, we want significantly more fuel than our orbiter stage, but we're also going to use a more powerful, sea-level optimized engine. I suggest either the swivel or the Reliant for this. I prefer the swivel as it gives you more control of your rocket. Speaking of control, we should also add some fins at the bottom of the rocket to prevent it from flipping mid-flight. These keep it flying straight like an arrow. Now, this is enough to get to orbit, but optionally, you might want to add some boosters. These can be separated mid-flight once they have given us a boost and they run out of fuel. To do this, we attach some radial decouplers on the side of the rocket, then attach the boosters to the decoupler. Then we can add some nose cones to the boosters, and just like that, we're ready to launch.